Yes, what's up traders, welcome back to the channel. So guys, today we're going to break down the latest market movement and the key levels to watch. So without wasting any time, let's get it.
Go. So guys, you already know that I start from weekly, daily, 4 hours, 15 minutes, 5 minutes to work it out to 1 minute where I execute my trades. So but in here currently we are on what? We are on weekly. So on weekly, I'm going to analyze what's happening on weekly. So if at least I take my line to here, so here we change character down here. So I'm gonna mark it as what? CH. And CH just mean what? Change of character. Market it was bullish, then it turned what? To bearish. So where is my rectangle 2? Then here I'm gonna make a what? A supply zone. Something like this. So that's what we are seeing on what? On weekly. And before, I think I posted a video, I think a week ago. Market it was around this area here. So we're expecting like market it has to what? Since market it changed character down, it has to retest to our supply zone, then it will continue the bearish structure. Simple. That's on that video. If let's say you haven't watched that video, just go on my previous video and watch it, guys. So I'm gonna take out this rectangle too. So here, what are we expecting here on weekly? Since market it changed character and it's reacting or not on a supply zone, we're expecting market to give me something like this, a what? A push down. If let's say we only if we got a good confirmation. If we don't have a confirmation, we wait, guys. So here we can just say market it get what to our POI. So we have what? We have to sell now. We have to have what? Good confirmation for us to took what that sell. You understand? So here that's our what? Our low point. We have what to target. Then here we can only expect that market, it's a must. It has to what? It has to retest. Now market it can break again here. That's why I'm saying we have to wait what for good confirmation. Once it, let's say it what it breaks, then it retests, then we'll target what this high point. Simple, something like this, guys. That's what I'm expecting. So that's my will be my target. If market break that supply zone, then boom, I'm targeting on that high point. Definitely it will break since market it what it break what that supply zone, or market it will just react and with good confirmation, then we sell, we target what that block point. Simple. That's what I'm expecting on what on weekly. So I'm gonna take out all the drawings and go to daily. Yes, now we're on daily. So I'm gonna analyze daily real quick. So yeah, let me take my line 2, something like this. Then here, something like this. So here it's change of character. I hope you already know change of character. CH means market it was what? It was bearish, now it's bullish. So here I'm gonna put a B. By B, sort break of structure. Then a rectangle 2. Simple, guys. You have to own a strategy, guys. Then everything will be simple. Yes, something like this. Then I'll mark again down here. Yes, simple, guys. I hope you can see. So let me just take you a little bit back. So on weekly, like on weekly, we are bearish. Market change character to bearish, and it's retesting. On its way to retesting, it get what to a supply zone where it's rating currently. Then same is what is daily, and this price action, guys, is pretty straightforward, guys. Then on daily, we are rating on what on a supply zone. So what are we expecting here again? So here we just waiting for what, I mean, for good confirmation again, then we can sell, we target what this low point, or else market, if let's say it don't give us what a good confirmation, hopefully it will just break, retest, then we target what the higher point. Simple. Simple, guys. You don't have to complicate things, guys. Things that are straightforward here, guys. Weekly, daily, same thing, guys. We are reaching out on a supply zone. Just have to wait. Don't do anything. Don't say, no, we're on a supply zone, POI, let's sell, or nah, guys. Just have to have patience, guys. So here I'm gonna take out all the drawings of the drawings. I hope we can see what's everything that I just analyzed here. So I'm gonna do something like this, take out all the drawings, go to 4 hours. So now I'm going to analyze 4 hours, guys. Everything, guys, is straightforward and it's simple, guys. And next to guys, it's gonna be a good week, guys. I'm telling you. So here, so let me just do like this. Let me start here so that you understand. So here, market give us what a flip, guys. So okay, then here it was a what? A B. Like what I said, B stands for what? For breakout structure. Then here, and it was a B again. Sorry, so a B again too. So let me just take out this one. Yes, something like this. In market, whenever guys, as you can see, market it's like this. So here we always make sure that you take a horizontal line, you mark here where market is standing on, and check this side if it's not reacting on something. And here, if let's say I can move to the left side, I can see a supply zone here. I can mark this supply zone. As you can see, it has everything IFC and the what, and a big candle on top. So here, something like this, I will just extend it here. Wow, look how beautiful guys it is. We are still, and on this line I can see there's a small supply zone, but it doesn't have what IFC. So I'm gonna take out this line. Look how beautiful it is, guys. It's something like this. Yeah. So here, let me just mark a demand here. So we got a demand zone here. Then here, wow, wow. Do you see what I'm seeing, guys? Here. So here, I'm gonna take, what do I need here? Let me take this line. And here, if you can see this thing here, guys, it's all just liquid here, guys. So yeah, let me just put it like this. I hope you understand by liquid, guys. Yeah. So we can take it. Okay. I think here, yes, here I can see there is a small supply zone here. It is a small IFC, and we can use it for what? For our targets. Yeah, and as you can see, let me zoom in here. And you have to zoom your chart, I mean. Yes, something like this. So yeah, as you can see, guys. So what do you see, guys? Even anyone can see what's happening here, guys. So all right, something cool. So let me just take you, I think let me just explain here. So here, as you can see, market is what is bullish here, guys, and we are rating on supply zone. And market, it has formed many candles here. So let me take my LA2. Here, there are many candles. Market, what do you see? Market is just consolidating. It's not even going up or down. It's consolidating, guys. That's the whole week that was happening. Market is just consolidating, as you can see, guys. Almost how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, almost around 10 candles that are now on a one place. Market is consolidating. It's forming liquid on both sides, up and down, so that it can get a big good movement here. So I'm going to take out this thing here. So what are we expecting here? We're expecting again market, since market is selecting on a supply zone, we expect market to pull down all the way to this demand zone here. Simple. Then or else market it will just break this supply, retest, then it boom, we target that that high point. Simple. So I'm gonna take you way back again to weekly. On weekly, market is it's it's bearish, but and it's retesting up. We understand. On that retesting up, it get to a supply zone. We're currently on weekly on a supply zone. I mean, then daily same thing again. Daily is bullish, then it's rating on a supply zone. 4 hours same thing, bullish, rating on a supply zone. So what do we expect, guys? To wait. We don't do anything. Wait for market to give us a direction. If let's say give us good confirmation for sales, yes, we sell, we have our targets in place. Or else if let's say that's those supply zone from weekly, daily, 4 hours, the week, we just break them, then continue to buy. Simple. So now I'm gonna just take only these arrows and flip to 15 minutes and see what markets is doing. So here, that's where the magic starts, guys. Here, market, all the magic starts here. So let me just analyze. As you can see, market is just consolidating. It just, so here I'm gonna start to look for trades. So let's see, on 50 minutes we took out this low point. Then here we have a supply zone. Oh, look how, guys, how good it is there. So here, that's where all the magic starts here, guys. A supply zone. Then here we got we got liquid here, double tops, And for me, double tops, it's what? Just liquid, guys. Something like this. So yeah, analyze. So let me put it on top, down, yeah, something like this. Then here, market, it has then two quarter this low point. Then here, market, you just to call this low point here. Something like this. Yeah, something like this. Then here, I can mark again or what? Yeah, okay. So like what I talk about on the starting of the video, like I start from weekly, daily, 4 hours. As you can see, I start from weekly, daily, 4 hours. Now we're on 15 minutes. So 5 minutes, how do I use 5 minutes? 5 minutes here is to refinement, for only refinement. As you can see here, I'm on 5 minutes, so I'm just gonna refine my what? My zone to be small and accurate, guys. So something like this. Yeah, so I'm gonna just refine like this here. Then here I'll go on the top zone because there are two big these zones here, guys. So we have to refine them. So here, this other day I wanted to explain this one, then I just say, oh, see. As you can see, we have what? The two zones. We have all of them that are valid. The upper zone here, the upper zone, I mean, and the second zone. And all of them, they have what? IFC. So what do we do in this case? In this case, we don't refine anything. We leave it like that. Because if let's say we refine to say this one is what our supply zone. So what about this inside buy here? What do we do? And it is what IFC. So the best thing is to what to leave that one that zone like that. So something like this. Yeah, cool. Then I'll go again and on what on 15 minutes. So here on 15 minutes, yeah, something like this. So now as you can see, guys, so that's what we are currently on what on GBP USD. So here, what am I expecting here? So listen carefully here, guys. So here on GBPSD on 15 minutes, I'm expecting, since on weekly we are on a supply zone, daily supply zone, 4 hour supply zone, 15 minutes, that's where we are currently in. So here there are two things that I'm expecting. So the first thing, I'm expecting market, so let me take my pen, market to give me something like this here, to go and clear all the liquid tapered, I mean to tapered the supply zone. Let me just start it again. I want you to understand, to give me something like this, guys. Boom, 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 boom. You tapered the supply zone, change character, boom. Then we what? We go down. So on the down, we target what? The lower point. Or else, there are two things here I'm targeting. So here, if I took my horizontal here, we have a lower point here. So this low point, actually, it's here. This low point here. As you can see, this low point. Because here, market, it fell. As you can see, market, it failed to take out what? This low point here, down here. Market failed to take out that lower point. So what does it tell us? Market is trying to get what? The bullish momentum. So here, market, since it failed to break out that lower point here, this one is going to be inducement here. And it's already, as you can see, it has liquid up here where I put X here. That's why I said this, where I put 3X's here. This supply zone is invalid, guys, for us to what? To target. It's invalid. On top, it is what? Liquid, and it failed to break out this low point here. Where I just put an X to exit. It's what? It's a low point. So that one probably it's what? Inducement. Market it easily cannot break it, then you type what to the upper supply zone. Simple. I hope you understand the what what I'm looking at that first. Or else market it can give me something like this. It can come all the way, it break this what? This low point, retest somewhere, maybe here, retest, then you continue to sell again. So on the sales, I'm gonna target what? First, I'm gonna target that 4 hours demand here. When market get to that 4 hour demand, then I'm good. I hope you understand that one here. Simple. So that's like what I'm gonna look for on that on the next week, upcoming week. Because today it's weekend, guys. So just chill. Market is not moving. Aesthetic and yes, guys. So on 15 minutes, you have to chill and like what I just analyzed come to what to play, guys. You understand? So as you can see, now I'm just gonna wait for market maybe to break down the retest, then continue to sell, or again market it will go bullish to cut what liquid and inducement there, tapped what to that 15-minute supply zone and change character down, then boom, I take a trade. So guys, I hope you understand everything. If you don't understand, you're free to comment on the comment section, then I will try to help you there, guys. I'm going. Peace out, guys.